Holy moly. I want to talk about Hudson Bay. I kind of touched on it last night for a moment during my video, but this is what I noticed. Let's just see this for a second here. This is Hudson Bay. I speculate this may have been a meteor impact, but we know there's a great gravity anomaly in this area. They say that the crust is thinner there, and therefore it's sinking, and it's creating an anomaly. Well, I suggest it's possible that it was a meteor impact, and when it impacted this lowland area, water may have been ejected from the ground. I'm not going to talk about the orogeny of the western side of Canada now, but what I'm going to say is that talk about all the glacial till that filled the ancient valleys. I'm not saying there weren't glaciers, the Nebraska glacier, the Illinois glacier, the Wisconsin glacial period, whatever. But what I am saying is that there's scientists out there speculating that there may have been water may have been the reason why these ancient valleys got filled. But I want to talk about the temperatures of this. Apparently, right here, it's 34 degrees, right along the coast. Here it's 32 degrees. Here it's, well, I'm not so sure I see that shade of purple. Well, I do. Okay, it's 86 degrees Fahrenheit. And out here in the middle, it's 95 degrees Fahrenheit, current Hudson Bay water temperature map. Look at that. Okay, let's just pretend for a minute. Let's say it was a meteor impact, and the crust is thinner there. Well, is it possible that there's a uplifting of a magmatic dome underneath there, or maybe it was a collapsed caldera from a volcano? I don't know. But this temperature anomaly. Now, I did go do some searching last night for more access to closer to real-time data for Hudson Bay, but I'm having difficulty finding it. But this is something else, folks. Look at that, 86, 80, 95 degrees. What is going on? And we noticed those low-hanging clouds. Let's see if I can pull that up real quick. That weren't doing anything on Hudson Bay. Let's see, Hudson Bay, here we are. I'll put it on 200 frames, natural color. Let's see those blue clouds right there? Sorry about the blur. Oh, there's those shadows again. Oh my gosh. See those blue clouds, those light blue clouds? I must push this little square button. I like being in charge of these satellites. See those low, very low clouds? It's almost like the water temperature is, well, of course, it's 95 degrees. It's warmer than the air. What the hell? Look at that, folks. Hudson Bay is steaming. No, this is a lot of speculation here. I'm just throwing that out there. I have not been able to corroborate this with any other website yet. And then look at out here, these little lakes. They should be warmer. I mean, you got a big body of water, smaller body of water, but these little lakes are 59 degrees Fahrenheit. I did look at the history of the water temperatures of Hudson Bay, and they're very low, and they're different. They're just different. Let's just say that. But along the edges where you'd think it'd be warmer, it's cooler, and in the middle where you'd think it'd be cooler, it's warmer. Now, is there a dome under here that's actually raising? Like I said, maybe a magmatic dome. Anyway, a meteor impact might explain boulders and everything being ejected, you know, with quartz crystals in the boulders, and eventually they would break down and, you know, distribute gold particles and everything. All the minerals that are in this area could be distributed throughout the lower 48 through an ejection from the meteor impact. But that's all possible. Who knows about likely or not? I don't give a shit. Hudson Bay, 95 degrees. Did you do it?